Hello, welcome to Spy Money. Tonight is the night. If you've been thinking about joining, tonight will be the night that you would want to tune in and join the webinar. I'm going to discuss how we trade manually, bots, and things like that. Just go over everything. I get a lot of questions about how your system works. What do you do? And I'm going to touch on a lot of that tonight. I won't go into complete detail because my training is for paid members only, but you're going to know enough to know if this is for you or not. And I believe it is. We have a lot of people that make money every day. Travis, he makes usually $5,000 a day. He has a $300,000 Apex PA account, and that's what he trades on. He does real well. We have several other people in there making money. Some people making $500 a day, some $1,000. Everybody's goals are different, and people are doing very well. So I'm going to show tonight a little bit about what we do, and if you're thinking about joining, tonight would be the night. I'm going to give a coupon code tonight. The coupon code will only work for people that are in the live training. I will not give the coupon code out outside of that. So if you want to save a little bit of money and get started now, tonight is the night. And it's going to be at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. I do it at 8 p.m. Eastern Time to allow people to get off work and also to go across the country. It seems like 8 p.m. is the sweet spot for most people to be able to tune in and get the training and so forth. So how you get your coupon code, or not your coupon code, but how you get your training event is you go to spymoneylse.com, and you're going to scroll down here, and this is where you need to go, right at the top. Click on register here. When you register, you want to go ahead and do this now to make sure that you get a spot. It does fill up pretty quick. Once you get registered, you'll have to download a webinar file in order to be able to join in on the webinar. So go ahead and get that ahead of time. Get registered now, and let's get you started on the lease tonight. That coupon code is only going to be for the people that join tonight. So if you want to look at it, you've been on the fence, tonight is the night that you want to do it. The coupon is going to be announced in the webinar. But once we get it announced, then you can go ahead and do that. I'll send you a code and then you can go ahead and join. We had a lot of people join the last time, and we had a lot of success with that. The people have done real well. The platform is a Spy Money platform, but it is a white label of Quantower. So if you know how to use Quantower, it's the same thing other than we have more features. As far as installing indicators and stuff is a thing of the past. Now everything is automated through the platform. It just makes it better. And as far as the training, it's very simple. And as far as trading using the Spy Money bars and the coaster strategy is just, it's actually pretty simple. And as long as you follow the rules, there's only a couple of rules. It's not any big deal. You can get through the training in the first day, know exactly what you need to do. I do recommend you trade on Sim at first and try that out. Make sure you're doing things right. If you are, then move on over to micros and then go to minis. Account size will vary. You can put $1,000 in an account and trade micros, and you can make $200, $300, $400 a day typically, depending on how long you trade and how the market is moving. But you can usually hit those goals pretty good. Most people make between $200 and $300 a day in their job. That's on average. People make more, but on average $200, $300 a day. So to take a $1,000 account or a $1,500 account and trade the micros is actually really easy to get those goals made using our strategy. It's just not that hard. Once you understand it, there's only 3 or 4 rules that you need to focus on, and then once you get through that, then you're going to be fine. We do have the auto trading bot. The coaster bot, it does a very good job, and as long as you run that with the rules that we have in place, then the bot will do very well. Most people use the bot for an entry and then they control it manually. And as far as controlling it manually, it's just a matter of moving the stops and the take profits and maybe taking a break even ahead of time instead of just letting the bot go full target of the stop or the profit target. But anyway, you go up here, you get signed up. Once you get signed up, you're going to get an email, and that email will give you the link to be able to join tonight at 8 p.m. That is Eastern Standard Time. Again, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tonight. If you know that you're already ready, you can click on the lease program here. And if you want to go ahead and get joined today, I will send you a coupon today to go ahead and get started. So you can go ahead and start today if you know what you want to do and get joined up, and I'll go ahead and send you a coupon today. That way you can get it all done today. Go ahead and be getting in the training and so forth, and then tonight when you look at the training that we have tonight, that'll kind of help you out a little bit. Again, the main training for the members are on the website. You get a lot more detailed information. We also have funded accounts that we recommend. We have 3 of them. All 3 of these work very well. They just click on these, and the code SPY Money is what you want to use, and it will work out very well for you. So have any questions or anything, let me know. You can send that on the contact page at the top of the website. Send me any questions you might have or concerns. If you need to talk to me, just put your name, phone number, a good time to call, and if I can, I'll call then. I talk to people every day and to answer questions, because a lot of people will just want to have that personal phone call before they give out any kind of money or anything. I've had customers for years, so we don't have we have some people who join and quit. Of course, that's just going to happen, but for the most part we have continual customers, repeat, paying the lease every month. And if you think of it this way, the lease, if you make $65 a day, then anything above that will be all your money. So only thing you have to make is over that in order to cover the lease and so forth. Some people come out of the gate making money the first day. Some people it takes a few days or a week. Some people it takes a couple months. So it really kind of depends on the person. If you're a visual person, you're going to do very well, and if you're a rule follower, you're going to do very well in the first day or two. If you don't follow rules and you're more of a gambler and just trying to throw a bunch of contracts at something hoping that you make money, then it's not going to work as well for you. But let me know what I can do for you. We'd like to get you started today. Again, if you want to join before tonight's webinar, you just send me an email and say, hey, I want the coupon code too. And I'll send it to you. So anybody that signs up today will get that coupon code, and then tonight it will expire at midnight tonight. So you've got to get this going. If you have any issues or anything, please let me know, and we will get you started immediately. I hope everybody has a great day, and I'll see you at 8 o'clock tonight sharp.